Looking for a camping car that can tackle the toughest roads and lead you into uncharted territory? Let us introduce you to two outstanding new models just launched in Japan, both based on the legendary Hilux, renowned for its ruggedness and off-road capabilities. First up is the VANTECH, making its global debut. The expertise of the manufacturer is evident at first glance, with meticulous details showcasing their professionalism. The ASTRARE GX4 is a serious contender, featuring a powerful and futuristic design. Its composite bodywork not only looks fantastic, but also provides the essential stiffness needed for off-road conditions. With a rear entrance, it offers convenience no matter the traffic pattern, whether you're traveling in a left-hand drive or right-hand drive country. Though it's large for a pickup-based body, it remains more compact than a standard camping car, with dimensions of 5.64 meters in length, 2.1 in width, and 2.89 in height. Although the height may be a concern for those who plan to navigate through dense forests, it does ensure a spacious and comfortable interior, providing the perfect ambience. High ground clearance and improved suspension prevent the rear end from sagging, a common problem with heavily loaded pickups carrying camping cabins. Outside, you'll find a dedicated outdoor shower, access to 60-litre grey and freshwater tanks, an external power connection combined with a 3.6 kW EcoFlow power pack, and air conditioning ventilation flaps. Inside, the ASTRARE GX4 is luxurious, far from a typical Explorer vehicle. Large windows, premium furnishings, and high-quality materials create an opulent atmosphere. Ambient lighting, plenty of storage, and an easily reconfigurable modular interior are just some of the great features you'll appreciate. The kitchen area includes a spacious worktop, sink, microwave oven, and a 50 litres compressor fridge with freezer. The bathroom is a truly innovative solution. Depending on your needs, it can be made small and compact or almost doubled in size for greater freedom and comfort. This remarkable expedition vehicle from VANTECH is in the final phase of development in preparation for its release to global markets. The initial pricing of the ASTRARE GX4 is as exciting as the design itself, making it a superb vehicle at a very attractive price. Next, we have the BR75 by Direct Cars, a company known for converting Toyota Hiace vans into camper vans. This model offers a slightly different concept, but is equally impressive. The first thing you will notice is the small pop-up roof, which has been integrated to expand limited headroom inside the living area. Overall body height of BR75 is 33 centimeters lower than the ASTRARE GX4, as well as being 20 centimeters narrower. In fact, this characteristic may be attractive to extreme off-road enthusiasts who have to cross deep forest trails. Pop-up roof is great for hot summers, but less practical in rain and winter. On the outside, just like the VANTECH GX4, power connection and access to 105-litre fresh and 45-litre wastewater tanks. Entrance from the left side of the cabin is a somewhat defining factor. BR75 has a huge bathroom which also has an opening wall. This is handy if you want to transport something large or store your damp wetsuit or swimming gear without having to enter the cabin. Although the silhouette of the vehicle is also attractive, it is certainly not as extravagant and cutting-edge as the VANTECH. Looking at the vehicle from the rear and side, you can see some of the limitations the driver will have to endure on expeditions. The tail is long and extends well beyond the axle, exceeding the ASTRARE GX4 by 13 centimeters, with ground clearance being quite low at the same time. A bit odd for an expedition vehicle based on the Hilux. Nevertheless, light off-road terrain and well-thought-out trails should be no hassle. The interior is more cramped than the GX4, with dark trim and limited headroom. This is especially true when the pop-up roof is not open. Food preparation area has been almost completely omitted, and the only thing you will find is a portable fridge that takes up space under the table. BR75 has more of the feel of a traditional expedition vehicle than a luxury camping car such as the GX4. Direct Cars uses a domestic air conditioner for climate control. It looks a bit clumsy in the small space, but performs far better than the ASTRARE GX's mobile EcoFlow unit. Note that the ASTRARE GX4 is still a pre-production model, and many improvements are to be expected in the final version. The BR75 is a finished product. Both cars share a similar price point, making the VANTECH product particularly attractive. Join the discussion! ASTRARE GX4 or BR75. Vote for your favorite in the comments section, suggest the features you'd like to see, and share your vision of an expedition vehicle based on the legendary Toyota Hilux. Stay tuned for the latest arrivals from Japan, reviews and motor show coverage by subscribing to our channel. B-Forward has been Japan's largest vehicle exporter since 2004, with over 2 million satisfied customers worldwide. We have over 450,000 vehicles and machinery in stock. Need auto parts and accessories directly from Japan? Take a look at the B-Forward Auto Parts online shop. You're sure to find what you're looking for.